Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to use Journal app on your iPhone. So first of all, on your home screen, let's open Journal application. And now let's tap continue if it's the first time that you use your Journal application. So how to basically start journaling. You want to go to section Journal right here, and now in the bottom right corner of the screen you will see plus button. With this you can start with blank page. Additionally, some journaling suggestions. If you want that, you can turn this on, but I will skip it for now. And here you have blank page where you can add some photos, videos, voice recordings, locations, and some others. So you can give your journal your entry a title, and here you can start writing. Additionally, here you can draw something like this. Okay, and what else? You can use this searching button in the top right in order to find your entry, and here you will see history. So this is, as you can see, from October 3rd, 2025. This is my entry, and the next one as well from that date. So here you will see history of your journaling, and as well, if you tap on three-dot button on the entry itself, you will find some options such as edit, add bookmark, print, or you can simply delete this entry. So that is how you can use Journal application on your iPhone. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.